Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome, I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I customized these press-on nails because not everybody wants natural nails and not everybody is trying to be paying for acrylics. So I'm going to show you how I jazz these ones up. Let's go. Okay, so to go from this to this, I am starting with these press-on nails. Okay, first look, bit of striping tape down the middle towards the right side of the nail, and then same thing down the middle, but this time towards the left side of the nail with another piece of striping tape. And you're simply going to paint over with some gold sparkly nail polish. Once that's done, you're just going to peel off the striping tape and you should be left with two straight lines down the middle. Perfect. Last thing to do is to paint a nice top coat. Quick dry, of course, because the patience is just not there. Okay, so the next look is going to be a diagonal. So we're going to do some striping tape right down the middle, diagonally across. Go back to that gold sparkly nail polish and paint one side of the nail behind the striping tape, or in front, depending on how you look at it. Then peel off that striping tape, and there you go. Now if you want to be a little bit extra, get some more gold and just do a little dot, and there you go. That's your second look done. Well, almost done. You need to add your top coat, nice and shiny, and there you go. Okay, so next look, striping tape down the middle. And we're going to go back to that gold sparkly nail polish and again paint one side. And once you're done painting, you're just going to peel off the piece of striping tape and you should have half gold, half maroon color nail. And of course you need to add your top coat to make sure everything's set. Okay, so last nail design, some striping tape diagonally across the nail on both sides, so we're making an X shape. Then we're gonna add some gold sparkly nail polish right over the whole nail. So you're simply painting over the striping tape. And once you're done painting, simply peel off the striping tape. So I made a mistake and it got all smudged and went everywhere, so I used a toothpick just to clean up the lines. And once I did that, it was good as new. And the last step is to add on your quick dry top coat. And there you go, you are left with these customized press-on nails. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Oh, and share too. And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!